Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My husband's favorite thing about this absolutely gorgeous leather bag from Polare is that it's large enough to fit his laptop and it's comfortable to wear at all times. My husband has a 14-inch Dallin Spiron that can double as a tablet, and it fits absolutely perfect in the laptop sleeve in the main compartment of this bag. This is the dark brown color, and we really love how even though the leather can be scratched a bit, it really just gives it a more rustic look, and you can just use your finger to smooth out some of the scratches, but we really like how the scratches give it more of a rugged look. My husband got the medium size. He's 6 foot, 190 pounds, and this looks really good on him. He is right-handed, so he wore the strap on the side that felt most comfortable for him. But the great thing about this bag is also that you can switch the strap to one side or the other depending on what your dominant side is or just what feels more comfortable for you. Although my husband does choose to carry a wallet with it, there is a spot inside the main part of the bag that you really wouldn't need to because there's slots for ID or credit cards. And there's a cool little zippered pocket on the strap itself that will fit a small amount of things like cash or credit cards. There's also a spot on the side that will accommodate a water bottle or a tumbler, and that's really nice and convenient. The stitching on this bag is really secure, and I appreciate their attention to detail to make sure that their seams are straight and things have a finished look. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag. It would make a beautiful gift for the man in your life, or you could just keep it for yourself because it is that beautiful. And that's my point of view.